Today is our reunion day. So we were doing some cooking last night. Today, I am going to share our first ever reunion with my mother's side siblings. And we are going to celebrate at our new farmhouse. After a few hours, this is what it looks like. This is the time I can share to you guys the whole family of my mother's side. The outnumbered cousins and relatives I have. We also prepared some food and games for everyone. We are so grateful of the success of our first ever family reunion. If you want to see more how we celebrate reunion in the Philippines, stay tuned and let's watch together. I am wearing glasses because the onions makes me cry. My cousin and I decided to do this family reunion because we actually don't know some of our cousins. So we decided to do family tree reunion. Everyone contribute to this event financially and physically, especially the two families. I assign each of the family to do some tasks for this event, and mostly everyone participate, especially those near us. Preparing the food takes a lot of time, so we started the night before the event. We have horse meat cooked in different dishes and then lechon. My grandparents like horse meat, and most of us eat horse meat. Also, it's cheaper than pork. One horse can feed everyone, and some can bring home. Good morning! Okay, so good morning guys. We are here now at the farmhouse, and today is our reunion day. So all of the relatives are here to celebrate because we're going to celebrate reunion today. So this is what it looks like in the background. So and also we were doing some cooking last night. Hi Rian. Yes, it's so cold here at the countryside. Hi Mama.
Hi, good morning. Also live ne?
And over here they are cooking. So last night we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cooking pots in this area. And over here as well, this one. Yes. And then this is the lechon. They already put some seasonings in this lechon. Uga-uga naman eh, oh. So all of us sleep here at the farmhouse. Like we were sleeping in this side, and then this side, and also from relative side. Later we were going to have everyone in here because that's our reunion. And then in the reunion we only have my parents, siblings, and then the children and grandchildren and the great-grandchildren. The great-grandchildren, is it? Anyway, so this is going to be the reunion, and then I'm going to continue sharing. And later we have some programs, so I am going to share that also to you later. We are using banana leaves as paper plate, so we are cutting them in circle. We decided to do this because we don't need to buy paper plate, and it saves us with additional expenses.
Si Mama, gikuha naman siguro ito yung Jonathan.
after a few hours, this is what it looks like. Magpicture sa daw ya.
Ang katong watong sa ako kung gikuha sa lama-lama kanyo.
This is my mother's side with 7 siblings from youngest to oldest. The oldest of my mother's siblings with 7 children and outnumbered grandchildren and other family members. This is the second to the oldest with 7 children and the children's partner and grandchildren.
Mga gwapo po do. Kabili ng pamilyang Loleta.
Next, third to the oldest with few children, but not everyone is present. Next, the middle with full children, but lost the 2. Next, the MC, the noisy one with 5 children and few grandchildren. And this is my family with 2 children and 4 grandchild.
Mo na yan mga anak. Mga gwapo no. Mga gwapa.
And last, father of Rian with 1 child.
Ay, naunta naman na. Uy, naunta naman na. Natanawa na. Ay, 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 ay.
The exciting part, but don't mind us guys. We like lechon so much and we only have 1 lechon. So hopefully next year we can have 2 lechon.
Abi na yung higugita. Iya, dahil ni Uguan di ay.
Kita guys, mahal ya kita.
Wala kay ito na lang yung alay man.
Buka ka buok.
Pwede ka po, sama na yun. Okay ra, kay kita-kita raman. Lagaw na.
Wala na akong innings.
Isa dili ko Sanchez. Kiregyo mo na ako sa pagsaon. Malupit na yun.
Konsolusyon. Okay, amang kasir. Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4. Moral. Oh, sige, 4 lang. Dako anong likan. Oh, sige. Likan, dako awak. Oh, ay, likan ba? Sige, sige, likan. Oh, likan. Agoy. Sige, likan. Lakaw. Oh, lakaw. Sige pa. Oh, lakaw. Sige, lakaw. Oh, sige na. Wala, abang si ulaw. Pak, sige. Oh, dali. Tanga. Sige, pare. Ataw. Oh, pa. Ay! Buka na. Hindi na buuan ba? Sige. Anda. Sige. Okay. Yeah, larga. Larga, bola. Bola lang itlog. Tu arah. Apat. Kana.
Ay ako na sa inyo kung bilabin anak ko ni kakawala si Lola Dede Basket. Selamat.
Basta kita sige. Oh, pop. Pinapinta ka. Pop. Kana, let's go. Let's go. Pop, pop, sige. Pop, pop. Kana, pop, sige, kana, sige. Nakaw. Agol araw mo. Pop, 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 pop.
Pangalan kay si Lilian and ang mamangpang ako. Ang mama kay si Honey.
Imong lolo, imong lola.
Ang lolo kay si Alejandro. Ang lola kay si Concepcion. Kay si Lolo Manuel. Ang lola kay si Lola Andre.
Premio.
100 gikan ni Madam Christian. Lah. Oh. Oh, Kak. Sige. Sige. Iya, Pian. Uno, dos, tres. Oh, set, go.
Ato ba?
Ikaw. Kak. Straight. Post. Patay. Ay. Yan. Liko. Hala. Ang atong tunang, dako-dako na naman eh, ibo kitang bukol. Oh, again. Go!
Isa.
Oh, okay. Go! Hey, kana! Okay. Oh, lakaw, sige. Lakaw, Job, sige. Oh, lakaw. Sige. Oh, kana. Sige, lakaw pa. Kana. Pose.
Tirko na. Tirko.
Mapuspusan na. Sige.
Yay.
Sige, Job.
Oh, liko.
Wala. Lakaw sa wala. Kana. Wala. Kana. Pop. Tres. Oh, straight. Kana. Sige, straight yun. Na. Straight. Paos ka bayaw. Kana. Lakaw.
Wala.
Dito na wait. Sige. Kana. Lakaw pa. Oy,
Tagadali iman.
Ay. Oh, lakaw. Kana. Ayaw, liko. Kana dito. Kana. Hop. Kana. Kapulo ka mo, tuyo ka. Kapulo. Oh, tuyo pa yun. Oh, sige, landa. Sige, op. Sige, istik ka. Lakaw. Istik. Istik. Ay, ibulit ko. Kana. Oh, kana. Oh, dali. Dali.
Katong namundang wala mo opinyo.
Ako si Andrea Lumingkit, asawa ni Manuel Lumingkit. Lami, kayo tayo.
Ako po si Janet Lumingkit, anak po ni Manuel Lumingkit ug Andrea Lumingkit. Ug daghang salamat.
Ilang premyo? Hoy, naunsa naman na?
Nindot ang pulong kabuok. Dali na kayo natapos. Okay.
Itahatag yung tao na sa mga tigulang. Sudagkat salamat kanyang tanan.
Okay, salamat. Okay, ikaw, isa na ha. Tarawa, unay sulat pa ang bigan. Sige. Okay. Sige, sunod doon. Doon mo na ang magkapunot na dinidong. Tiri. Adala. Taro. Sige. Sunod. Kamay. Plato, dito ka. Linya yun, dili kayo kalimuot tayo. Ganyan. Dili, ay. Dili mag-selfie, lisod tayo.
Ayaw sa kanya maglihi. Ayaw na maglihi. Dungan na kapitanan. Kanig chance niya.
Wala ka! Ba, wala ka rin bunot pa?
Ang mga dagko, di na gyud magmahay kay nagkaanak gyud mo ka chance.
Wala si Kristen! Ako ngalan si Dindo. Ang mama kay si Anita. Ang papa kay Dodo. Daganang salamat.
Sa akong baik.
Ako Dodo.
Wow! Siya gay nakatawa. Awa na.
Kaliwat kanan yun lang ang iyong hakbang. Pakinggan ihit ang tadyang. Pag-ibay-iwa, magshalalalalalalalala. Ano lang ang iyong hakbang. Pakinggan lang mga malang.
Pagsabi mo,
Nais na makita ka. Di man ang puso ko'y para sa'yo lamang.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!